It might sound like some sort of hardcore training method reserved for only serious weightlifters, but that's hardly the case. It's quite the opposite. It could be the perfect addition to a training plan for MS patients that crave the strength that multiple sclerosis has taken from us. And it's not just for the young, newly diagnosed patients either. It's a great solution for older MS patients to build and maintain strength and muscle. Marie B sent me a comment asking, I wondered how to improve wrist strength. Well, Marie, it sounds like you have trouble with wrist strength like I've had with ankle strength. Both are limb weaknesses. And this is exactly where it gets interesting. Hey, it's Steve. Unlike wave loading, which escalates how much you lift over the entire session, blood flow restriction training increases muscle mass in men and strength in both men and women, using only a fraction of that maximum effort. It uses higher reps and lighter loads while wearing compression straps. I know that sounds a little weird, but hear me out. When I first read about this, it sounded really backwards and kind of crazy to me. Limit blood flow to strengthen, but after doing it for a little while and reading the science behind it, it all adds up. The concept revolves around our arteries and veins. Now, there are two major differences between arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood out of the heart to all parts of the body, whereas veins carry oxygenated blood back to the heart. Here is where the magic happens. The straps compress veins, not arteries, and slows the blood returning to the heart. It tricks the brain into thinking you're lifting heavy weights when you're not. The altered cellular environment under compression from the straps stimulates numerous changes to cells, genes, and proteins. It releases hormones and specific stem cells that are very specific to muscle growth and strength. So when doing it, the bands should be placed as high as possible on your working limbs. So here is the arm. What I usually do is get completely naked first and then put these on. So this is the strap for the arm. What I would do is I would snug it all the way back, stick it all the way up into your armpit like this. All right, and I won't show you the leg strap. Well, here's the leg strap. but it's the same thing. I get it up nice and up into my groin. So after that, you just do the lighter load lifting and it works. Don't worry about the muscles not directly on your limbs. So for instance, the training has positive effects on all muscles, above and below the cuff. So for example, putting them up on your upper arms affects your chest and back strength. In your legs, you see strength increases in your lower back and your butt. There are common worries though that I always hear. One of them is, and this is the first one, it's a smaller one, but it's the first one. What about blood clots? Well, it's important to know that the formation of a clot is caused by an imbalance in coagulation. The studies I've read and the research I found with this research, with this training, has shown that this type of workout does not decrease coagulation. In fact, it may actually increase the breakdown of clots. So, based on what the science community knows, it appears to be perfectly safe. So let's get to the second one, which I hear far more, especially from MS patients. Is it safe for the nervous system? The nervous system that MS has attacked. The implication that blood flow restriction could be too taxing on the nervous system has been studied. Once multiple sclerosis has damaged myelin, it slows or even stops the velocity of action potentials running through the area. But looking at nerve conduction velocity studies, I see no negative changes. So ultimately, I think it's safe on all levels. And it's essential for a lot of us to continue our strength recovery. What does your weightlifting routine look like? Are you struggling to build strength? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.